Welcome, follow me say Umidigi One Pro, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once it's off, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And we should be in the boot mode. So in here you will use only volume up to navigate, and you want to select the first option called recovery mode. And once selected with the arrow, just press volume down to confirm it. Then we should see Android with no command. There it is. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold the power key and press volume up once. And we're now in recovery mode. So in this mode you can actually use both of the volume keys to navigate, so volume down goes down and up goes up. And as you can see, you can reboot system, which just brings you back to the Android, reboot to bootloader, which is fast boot mode, apply updates from either SD card or ADB, wipe data factory reset, which is just a reset of the device, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, and run some tests, in this particular graphic test, and simply power off the device. So whatever you select, for instance, I'm going to leave this mode, so I'm going to select reboot system now, and once it's selected, press power key to confirm your selection. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So that is how you would boot your device into recovery mode and also out of it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.